Open the email that contains the invitation for the Zoom call. Click the link under the phrase Join Zoom Meeting. Your browser should open a Zoom tab with a pop-up that asks you if you want to open Zoom Meetings. Click the button that says Open Zoom Meetings. Zoom will now open, stating that you have to wait until the host lets you in. Once they let you in, click Join Computer Audio if that option pops up. You are now in the call. If the host wants to share a presentation or image, it will show up on your screen in the Zoom application. The same presentation will show up for everyone in the call. To turn your camera on, click the button at the bottom that says Start Video. To turn it off, click the same button, except it will say Stop Video. To turn on your microphone, click the button that says Unmute. To turn it off, click the same button, except it will say Mute. To have the presentation and the participants each take up half your screen, click the View Options button at the top, and then using the drop-down menu, click Side-by-Side Mode. Unfortunately, the drop-down menu cannot be displayed in this video, but it is there. You can now click on the space between the presentation and participants and drag it to adjust the size of each half according to the way you like it. To just have the speaker appear in the participants half, click the Speaker View button at the top right of your screen. To have all participants, including the speaker, appear in your participants half, click Gallery View. You can open the chat window by clicking the Chat button at the bottom of the screen. To exit full screen mode, click the Exit Full Screen button at the top right of the application. To leave the meeting, click the red Leave button at the bottom right of the application.